Hello guys, so in this video we'll see how we can request files or any information from our clients in HubSpot. So first install the ClientlyBase app. You'll find the link in the description. After that you can click on here and click here connected apps, and here you'll see the app. Now here go to app cards, and here you will see 3 cards. Just do one thing, go to manage location and just check this and click on save. Do this for all these cards so this can get visible in your contacts as well as deals page. Okay, now let's say you want to request documents or information from your clients from your deals page. So let's go to deals. I have this test deal, okay, and I have contacts attached to this deal. If you don't have any contact, you will have to attach a contact. So you can, let me add this one as well. Now we have 2 contacts, so let's see. Now I have this ClientlyBase request deal documents card here. Here you can first select the contact. You can see we have multiple contacts, so you can select the contacts that you want to send. So this is my contact, Brian. And here you can select the template. We have currently 2 templates, but if you want to create your own templates, that is pretty easy. Click here, manage templates, and this will take you to this page. Here you can click on new template and name the template, and here you can basically create the checklist, like what type of file you need and instruction. Here we have currently 2 options, file and text. In the like upcoming version we are going to add more options as well. So currently I have this template, I'm going to use this one. So what we are going to do, let me select the template, client onboarding. Here you can basically update the request name if you want. I'll just keep it as default. You can set the due date, so you basically create a sense of urgency if you want. Let me keep it as 3. Now send reminder. This you can set either basically your client will get a reminder every 2 days if until they haven't basically submitted all the files or information. And here you can send a message to the client in the portal, it will get shown. Let me add something dummy here if I have any text. Okay, let me just use this text just for the demo. Send request. Now our request has been sent. Let me check the email. So basically on that particular email your client will get the notification. You can see here I have got this new email. So open, click on sign in. Now you can see I have inside the page where they can basically submit the files, and you can see this message we have added. They can see it here. Now I'll just put I'll just add random things so we can go ahead. I'll just do one thing, I'll just mark it not applicable for now, few documents. Okay, once they have submitted all the documents, they will see this, you have completed everything. Basically now we are done with this part. So they can go to home, and here also they can see that one of the requests is under review currently. Here they can see multiple requests as well if you have like asked them for multiple document requests. Now let's go back to HubSpot, and here let's see our request. So I'll go to this user. Now here, from here also you can basically request documents. It's the same process. You just select the template, and the thing I'm interested in is this one. So document request. Here you can see all the document requests. This is the one we just basically submitted. So you can click on here, and you can see the request status from here as well, or last updated. Once you click on request, you will go to this page, and here you can basically see all the documents they have submitted. Either you can approve it and reject it. If you reject any of the document, you basically give them a reason, and the client get the email to upload this document again. So this is the whole flow, and you can do as many times you want. If some of the document is needed and they mark it as inapplicable, you can restore it to pending as well. So again they get an email. After you are satisfied, you can either approve one by one, you can directly approve, and the request has been approved, and your client will also see that the request has been approved, so they don't have any pending task and the request has been completed. And also after this is done, you can download the files as well. So all the files has been downloaded. So this is how you can request files or information from your clients in HubSpot. If you have any questions or suggestion, feel free to drop this in a comment, or you can live chat with us as well from your dashboard. Okay. So we are constantly like adding new features to HubSpot, so you can do as much task possible inside HubSpot as well. So you don't have to basically leave HubSpot and open anything. We're trying to do that. So if you have any suggestion, or if you want to see any features that is not currently available, we'll happy to add that. So feel free to send us a message. Thank you.